In this video, I'm going to show you how to save Adobe Scan PDF in Gallery. Now, the first thing you have to do is create a PDF you want to save in your gallery. So if you don't know how to do this, I do have a separate video. Go watch that first. Whenever you do that, you'll be able to see your file over here, either on the Home tab or bottom right. If you tap on Files tab, you'll be able to see your Adobe Scan PDF document in here as well. So you have two options from the Home tab. You can see on the right, there's to the right of the document, it says Share, Save as Word Doc, and then Save as JPEG. So if you want to save it inside your gallery, tap on Save as JPEG, and it's going to start loading, and then you'll be notified just like this whenever it's saved. Okay, there we go. It's now saved to my photos. Now, if you are inside the Files tab, bottom right, you want to tap on the three dots, and in here, if you scroll down, it's going to say Save Pages as JPEG, and you can tap on that, and then it's going to do the same thing, and it's going to save it into your gallery. So if I show you my gallery over here, you'll see that, and if I refresh, it's going to basically put it in here. Now it's not working because, of course, I have backup off. So if I just go inside my gallery over here on my phone, you can see up top, there we go, I have these documents as JPEG files in my gallery. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.